Are you somebody suffering with back pain? Are you somebody who is having to sleep in an armchair because you're scared to get into bed? Well, today I want to teach you a way that's going to help you be able to get into your bed a much, much easier way. I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and you're watching the 10X Physio channel. This is the channel where we try to teach you all the best tips and tricks that are going to 10X your health today. So, as I said, we're going to teach you one way that's going to be a lot easier to help you get in and out of bed, to help you get a better night's sleep. So we're going to start off in this sitting position. So if you imagine that you're sitting onto the side of your bed, obviously just before you're going to bed at night, we're going to start off sitting. From here, okay, again, remember, look, I can understand that you may be in a lot of pain, but this will hopefully be the easiest way that you are able to get into bed. We're going to bring an elbow down to the bed, and we're going to bring our hand down to the bed, like so, okay? And as we start to lower ourselves down onto the bed, we're going to bring these legs up onto the bed here. So we've got pressure through this hand and through the elbow. We can slowly lower down, and then we're just nice and gentle, nice and easy onto our side. Now, if this is where you're happy to sleep, then again, that's absolutely fine if you're fine sleeping on your side. I know sometimes you don't have a lot of control when we're sleeping and what way we move. Alternatively, if you're happy to move onto your back, then again, we can just roll just gently over onto our back, like so. Okay, and then we're onto our back. To get ourselves back up, so when you wake up in the morning or if you need to get up in the middle of the night, again, all we're doing is I'm going to bend this leg first. So this is the leg furthest away from the side that we're getting up from. We use this leg, so we push pressure through that leg, and we just turn over onto our side like so. So we're going to use our elbow and our hand again. Those knees bend up. Those feet come over the side of the bed, and as they start to go down, we use our elbow and hand to push ourselves back up, and then back up and in to sitting. And that is the easiest way that I have found, and that the easiest way that we teach our patients to get in and out of bed when they have back pain. So there you have it. That is our one way that we teach people to get in and out of bed in a much easier way. If you like what you've seen in the video, please feel free, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you know somebody who's back pain, who is possibly sleeping in an armchair, scared to get in and out of bed, please share this video with them. It's going to help them. So I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy. You've been watching the 10X Physio channel. Again, if you like what you've seen, have a look at some of our other videos, and then we'll see you in the next video.